Welcome back to my kitchen. Kendra here. Welcome to Keeping It Kendra. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sure as you saw in the intro, as you saw while pressing the video, I am going to make the Flower Child Mother Earth Copycat Bowl. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it all over my stories. People have been going crazy in my DMs asking me to make a video, so I had to provide. So first, I have to go get the ingredients. So we're gonna head over to Trader Joe's and we're gonna get everything we need. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to make the exact salad. Let's go. So I laid out all the ingredients you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you exactly how all these ingredients are gonna play into the meal. It's gonna be so pretty, it's gonna be so good, and I'm so excited for you to try. Beforehand, I already cut up all of the peppers, the ancient grains. Oh, a lot just fell out. But put right here what the mixture is. We have arugula, but the sweet potato is gonna take the longest. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel the sweet potato and then I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes. Only 10, and then we're gonna take it out, put it into the air fryer, and then fry it up. Just a little bit though, you'll see. So I'm gonna start cutting up the onion and the portobello mushrooms. Let's get started. So I was obsessed with the Food Network when I was younger, and I used to always watch Rachel Ray, and there's one thing that I learned when I was 8 years old, and it's how to cut an onion, and I'm gonna show you how. So I always use a paper towel just to get all the shelling and stuff like that. First, you're gonna cut off both of the ends. And you're gonna use the last one to peel the side like that. And then that's gonna give you your opening to open up the onion. And now you have a beautiful peeled purple onion. No rob. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. And now you're gonna put it on one of the sides and you're gonna cut it in half. So now you have 2 onion halves. So then you're gonna lay one flat. We're looking for kind of a similar shape to the mushroom and the peppers. Just gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna start cutting. And then you get shapes like this, which is perfect. We have no more space in here, so I'm gonna put all the onions on here. So our baby cucumbers are next. Persian cucumbers will always be my favorite cucumbers. They remind me of Pickle
Turn
Rick.
myself into a pickle, Morty.
And you can't
Boom.
tell me this doesn't
I'm
look
Pickle Rick.
But These are the best cucumbers. I like to chop them up in 4s so that they're easier to eat and easier to mix in with the salad. It reminds me, I need to cut up some garlic. I know people like to use the canned garlic, like Gil does, he has some. Like this garlic, but honestly, if you're a real cook, you'll know that cutting fresh anything will always taste better than the container one. 100% every time. Okay, the potatoes are about done, so let's drain them. So I'm gonna put them in a bowl. I'm gonna add some olive oil to them, just so they fry up nicely in the air fryer. Scratch that. I'm actually gonna put these in the oven. I don't know why I didn't think of this, because I need the air fryer to freaking make the salmon. Last time I had a lot more time, but I just want to have like a more efficient way for you guys to make this bowl. So we're gonna do the oven. Honestly, putting it in the oven is amazing. If you don't put your potatoes in the oven, you're really missing out. Just preheat the oven to 400 or 450, but I put it at 400. Don't quote me, I don't remember which one it is, but it's only gonna stay in there for around 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna toss them up. We don't want them too crispy. Ooh, this is like a play by ear, play by taste, play by like texture. I don't know. It's gonna be good, and you'll see it. I think I'm gonna try something new and add some cinnamon onto the sweet potatoes, just to give them like a cute little sweet kick, you know, cutesy, demure, you know. I just love the smell of cinnamon. It smells so good. Ugh. It smells like fall, honestly. We're gonna do 10 minutes. Yes, I know I need to charge my phone. Mind your business. Next is the salmon. I get my salmon from Trader Joe's. It's the skin on it. It just, I don't know, something about flavor. I don't know. I just think salmon is such a pretty fish. But yeah, I'm gonna season it just like this, and I'll show you how I do it. Of course, I always wash off my salmon. Make sure it's so fresh and so clean. And then I'll season it with my favorite seasonings. I'll show you what they are. You can either use them or use your favorite. Whatever you gotta do. Olive oil. Rub it in. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Creole seasoning. Thyme. Paprika. Red pepper flakes. Parsley. And oregano. Now we preheat the air fryer. We're gonna do seafood, and then we're gonna press start. So then it's gonna preheat in here. Put it in here. There we go. Now on to my favorite part, the veggies. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put some butter and the chopped up garlic that I chopped up earlier. I'm gonna let that fizzle in and let the garlic be fragrant. Like once you can smell garlic, that's when it's ready for you to add whatever else. So first I'm gonna do the butter. And then once the butter is melted, I'm going to do the garlic. Then I'm going to do the onions. Then I'm gonna do the peppers. Peppers. No. And then the mushrooms, because the mushrooms are pretty quick to cook. You'll see. We're gonna add half a lemon. We're gonna add the Montreal steak seasoning. Just trust me on this one.